Hello there, here we have the Thermo thermostatic radiator valve. We're going to unbox it now, and the reason we've purchased this and we're going to give it a try is because it's specifically designed for Apple products only, and has got privacy according to privacy, which means it doesn't go back to anybody's servers. So here we are, unboxing it now. That's inside the box there. We get the batteries, and these are all the adapters for the different types of radiator valves. And there's the actual device itself. Seems quite solidly made. Got a metal locking ring on how to set this valve up. So the first thing we're going to do is install the supplied batteries, which come in the box. And we can hear it motoring there. Right, so supplied in the box are various adapters for different types of radiator valve. You will need is an existing thermostatic radiator valve. In our case, it appears to be a Danfoss compatible size. It's just a matter of hand tightening this locking ring here. And in this case, I've had to push down on it a bit because the spring plunger in the middle was pushing back a bit. So depending on your application, you tell the app which way the valve is positioned, so it turns the display up the other way. So in this case, by pressing this, it tells me what the set point is in this room. It does make a small amount of noise when it's actuating. If it's in a bedroom, you might notice it, but it is quite quiet. We don't find it too intrusive.
Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please press the subscribe button.